Hey, what's up, everybody? It's DJ Mo D here from What Say Radio. Appreciate y'all always tuning in, locking it in, and hope everybody's having a great Tuesday so far. It is Tuesday, November 4th. Yeah, we are in November, y'all. This month is Thanksgiving, and I am looking forward to it. Turkey Day, Ham Day, y'all. We gonna get it in. I hope y'all plan to get it in as well. And with that being said, make sure you're safe, stay vigilant during this holiday times, as a lot of things happen other than celebrating and spending time with family. So just a reminder to be careful out there, y'all. And if you want to hear some good music, go to www.whatyousayradio.com. Again, that's www.whatyousayradio.com. Matter of fact, I don't know why I always move the wrong way, but there it is right there, y'all. If y'all want to hear I got a little bit of R&B, a little bit of soul music, trail ride. I mean, I got a little bit of everything, a little mix of everything going in. If you go in there and check it out, I think you will really like it. So just go in and tune in at whatyousayradio.com. That's right, y'all. Spending nothing but the best, give you nothing but the best music 24/7, 365. And in this video, what I want to talk about, let me come to the mic, y'all. What I want to talk about in this video is crypto, do a crypto update. It has been crazy out here the last week. We closed out October. Oh, October was supposed to be the month of what they call Uptober, but we didn't get that. It didn't pan out the way we thought it was. It didn't pan out the way it did in recent memory, and just another monkey wrench into crypto and this crypto cycle. And a lot of people are there's a lot of bad sentiment out there as among people, investors, retail investors that are getting frustrated um, based off of the past where we're sitting at right now here in November. We should be like going into a top off basically of altcoin season and crypto getting ready to go into a bear market. Well, guess what? Here it is, like I said, November, and we have yet to even really have an altcoin season during this crypto cycle, which is strange. It's odd. It's frustrating. It's annoying. It's a little bit of everything. Emotional. It's like being on an emotional roller coaster. So I get it. A lot of people want to give up. A lot of people get frustrated. I am in that camp as well, but I will be patient. I will hold on because patience eventually will pay off. I learned that over my short few years here investing that as soon as you give up, that's when everything just skyrockets to the top. And it's happened to me plenty of times. And so I've learned my lesson. I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to hold on and I'm going to stay strong. And I hope y'all do the same too if you are investing in particularly crypto, because the crypto stocks have been doing decent for the most part, but the crypto market, they really have thrown a monkey wrench. They really confused us. And part of the reasons why, and this is my opinion, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell any stocks or crypto. This is just my opinions, and you can take with the information and do what you want. Again, this is for education and entertainment purposes only. But my feeling of why the market is being this monkey wrench and it's changed because we do have institutions that are now have come to the game. At first, they didn't believe in crypto, and now they have joined us. They have joined the retail market, and when they join, you got to think about it. The um, the market guys, and I'm talking like whales. I'm talking about big money. I'm talking like the Black Rocks, the Vanguards, the billionaires and trillionaires, and I'm talking about people with big money, and that's what they can do when they come to the market or when they come to whatever specific platform. They can control it, right? They can control it because they have more money. Their pockets are fatter than ours, and so. now that they've realized that crypto is real and it's here to stay and it's not going nowhere, they've decided to join the game. They have decided to play the game. And so they're implementing their rules into the game. And so that's the frustrating part of it to me. And again, that's just my opinion. That's the way I feel about it. I think the institution, that was the word I was looking for. The institutions have came and kind of taken over the game and they've changing the game. They're changing the rules of the game. And I always say, when somebody changes the rules on you, guess what? If you ain't got no choice but to accept the rules, then it's up to you and I to figure out what those new rules are and play by those rules, right? Because that's the only way we're going to make it. So, again, that's just my opinion on it. And so, with that being said, I just want to get in because crypto prices are really, really dropping today. And we're going to get in here and take a look at coinmarketcap.com and see exactly where we're at and talk about it because it's not looking good, y'all. But we're going to hold on. We're going to be strong, like I said. Here we are, coinmarketcap.com. As you can see, the market cap for crypto overall is $3.36 trillion. The fear and greed index is at 27. That's fear. Look at the altcoin season. It's at 26. Um, it's heavily favoring Bitcoin, but we're going to get to Bitcoin. It's not even in the middle of Bitcoin and altcoin season. So we nowhere near altcoin season, and this is kind of bringing in my opinion, the belief that maybe some people are giving up and they're looking at these graphs and charts and they're like, we're not going to get an altcoin season. It's not going to happen. And so we'll see how it goes. The average crypto RSI is right now at 34, which is nearing the oversold side. Guess what? That makes sense, right? Because people are selling, people are getting out of crypto and they're looking for less riskier things like stocks and ETFs and bonds probably to be in. They're looking for safer places to put their money because crypto is so fragile right now. It's so volatile that they're looking for a safe haven for their money. They're looking for a safe place, and so that's why crypto is oversold right now. Let's go into some of our favorite coins as we always do, and Bitcoin. Look at this, y'all. I can't believe this. I don't even remember the last time we were at 100,000. Like we're almost below $100,000 in Bitcoin. I thought we would never see this again. I'm gonna go in. I want to go into it and see. Look at this, $100,669, and let's see. Yeah, see it dipped right there. It was 105.80. So yeah, this is man. We flirting with going under $100,000. And guess what, man? I think, in my opinion, that's going to scare some more people. It's going to scare and make some more people sell out of crypto when the big dog of all crypto, Bitcoin, is collapsing like that. Whereas others, if they got money, people with dry powder, uh, that's basically money to spend. They're going to buy some Bitcoin at lower prices because guess what? Bitcoin is going to go back up. It will not stay down forever. And if you can get it at a cheap price, just like I always talk about Chainlink, getting it under $20 and getting it cheaper than that, and we'll talk about that one here in a second. I mean, that's when you want to accumulate. You want to accumulate when people are fearful. Remember this. I say this all the time. When people are fearful, that's when it's time for you to be greedy. What you say? Knocking on some wood. When others are fearful, it's time for you to be greedy. When people are greedy in the market, man, it's time to look around, see what's going on, and make your exit strategy. Once everybody's flooded in the market and everybody's being greedy. XRP $2.19 right now. It might go under $2. Solana crazy $154 right here. I haven't seen Solana at 154. It's been a couple months. It hasn't been that long, but it's been a couple months since it's been at that $154 mark. Cardano 51 cents right now. Great. That's a great price. That's a great buy, in my opinion. Chainlink, look at Chainlink, y'all. $14.29. We got Sui. Sweet. Man, Sui is below a dollar. It's below $2 at $1.92. This is the hot altcoin of this year's cycle, or not this year's cycle, but this cycle overall. As we talked about this before, that last year it went from like 30 cents all the way up to like $5 and something. Here it is, under $2. That's crazy. Avalanche, AVAX, same thing, man. $15 and 54 cents. Man, it was. Let's take a look at AVAX. I want to look at AVAX because AVAX I think got as high as like $50 last year. Let's look at this. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at the yearly chart. 2024. Look at that. Man, I hit the nail on the head. I hit the nail on the head, man. December 8th of 2024, it was $54. $54 exactly last December. And look where it is. $15.54. This coin right here, during the last altcoin bulls season, it got up to like 100, and there it is right there, $134 back in November 22nd of 2021. And right now the coin is $15.54. And this is one of the top altcoins in crypto. $15.54. Can't beat it. Tau, BitTensor Tau got up to like 550. It was pushing towards 600. And here we are back below $400 at $397.72 for Tau. ONDO, 57 cents. It's crazy. 57 cents for ONDO. Let's take a look at ONDO. This is one of BlackRock's favorite coins here, ONDO. And ONDO, just think about this, y'all. ONDO and Chainlink just recently, last week, when I say recently, I'm talking about within the last week or so, just announced a partnership together. And look where it's at. A real world asset that's collaborating with Chainlink back last year, December 15th of 2024. This was $2. And right now it's sitting at 57 cents. Crazy, man. This is crazy. And then we'll take a look at the last coin, Aerodrome. Aerodrome, it was hot as well. Got up to like $1.20 something last week. Here it is. It's fallen back below collapse. I ain't gonna say falling. I'm gonna say collapse. Back below a dollar. It's currently sitting at 78 cents. It's crazy, y'all. And I'm gonna take one last look at Bitcoin, where we're at before I close out of here and close this video. Bitcoin is still around the 100,000. No, it just changed. 100,267. That's what I'm gonna be watching today, y'all. Let's pay close attention today and see what happens with Bitcoin, as it's the granddaddy of them all. And whatever Bitcoin does, everything else just falls in line. Ethereum and so forth and so on. So right now, let's see if Bitcoin falls below $100,000 today. That is going to be my main focus of watching today. Let me know what your thoughts are on the market. Are y'all still holding on? Have y'all gotten out? Which, if you have, I don't blame you. Um, it's rough. It's looking tough. It's looking bad out there. But I encourage you, and I still encourage everyone. If you're still in, hold on. Um, and just try to ride this out. But if you can't, again, I understand it. You're the executive, you're the CEO of your investment portfolio. And so you gotta do what you gotta do to take care of you and yours. So with that being said, this is DJ Mo D. I will keep y'all informed. Let's watch and see what happens with Bitcoin for today. Again, if you want to hear some good tunes, some good music, go to www.whatyousayradio.com. Hit like, subscribe, share this channel, share the page, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace. What you say?